Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check portfolio on the Delta Exchange app. When trading cryptocurrency on Delta Exchange, it's important to keep track of your assets and trading activity. The portfolio section of the Delta Exchange app provides a complete overview of your funds, including your available balances, open positions, and the overall value of your holding. By checking your portfolio regularly, you can monitor your profit, losses, and review your trading performance and make informed decisions about your trades. So first, you need to open your Delta Exchange app. Begin by launching the Delta Exchange app on your phone and make sure the app is updated to the latest version to access all the features smoothly. So once the app opens, what you can do is on the top we can find this account equity. Click onto this icon there in order to check your fund, in order to view your total account balance. Over here you'll find the available balance that you can use for the trading. Funds are currently logged in open trades and positions, and this overview helps quickly understand the total value of your account at any moment. And you can also check your open positions and active trades. What you can do is on the bottom there's a trade icon. Select to the trade. Over here scroll a bit down until you find the position on the bottom here, and here you can view the details such as your trading pair, entry price, current market price here. And monitoring this information allows you to track how your trades are performing and decide where to hold, adjust, or close your position. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.